Hey everybody, Bruiser here, and me and my friends at Kingtone Music would like to show you the Screaming Bird from Electro Harmonix. It is a treble booster and came out shortly after Mike Matthews issued the LPB1. Along with this was the mole, which I'll get to in another video. But anyway, this is another booster that gives you 20 decibels of boost, but unlike the linear power booster, this one drastically alters your sound, giving it a very large treble boost, and the higher you turn the knob, the more treble frequencies get boosted. So anyway, I'm playing my Ibanez Destroyer through my Pico valve amp, which is loaded with a 6L6 GC and set for about as clean as it'll get. And again, I'll let the effect do most of the talking here, since it's rarely simple. So I'm going to start with just where it starts to slightly boost the signal, but definitely changes the tonal shape of it. So here we go, and we'll just nudge it up a bit and see what happens. Alright, so let's boost it up here, about 11 o'clock. Things kind of start getting a little more brilliant. Alright, so let's put the knob at about noon, and things start to really kind of coalesce, if you will. Alright, so let's turn it up about 2 o'clock, and things start to get really, crunchy actually. turn it up a little more. It's about 3 o'clock. Alright, let's finish the deal here by just cranking it all the way up. Well, there you have it. The Screaming Bird Treble Booster from Electro Harmonix, available at Kingtone Music. Details about Kingtone will be in the description of this video. Until next time, see you later.